Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you are fine. In today's video I will show you how to create a restart shortcut on desktop or taskbar. If you want to restart bottom on your PC desktop or taskbar, just follow a few easy steps. First of all, right-click on desktop, go down to New and select Shortcut. Here type this command. Click Next, and give a name to this shortcut. It's not looking real. We will change its icon. To change its icon, just right-click on it, and go to Properties. From here you can select anyone. Now, this shortcut can restart your PC if you double-click it. If you want just one click, you have to drag it to Taskbar. On Taskbar, just one click can restart your PC. I will use mobile for screen recording to check if it is working or not. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want to ask me, write in the comment box below. See you in next video. Bye.